Hey guys, what's up? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures. Shortly after we got our ARB fridge, we decided to go ahead and go for the fridge monitor. So I just kind of wanted to open this up and show it to you. The fridge monitor uses a wireless signal, little antenna device hooks into the back of the fridge, and it transmits a signal to here where you can see how many volts are getting to your fridge and what temperature your fridge is at. I had listened to some podcasts and heard some overland stories of people's power failing or not quite getting enough voltage or temperature dropping because they were having a compressor issue or a thermostat issue. I figured for peace of mind, if you're going on a really long drive and you have some food packed in there, you want to know early if something's going wrong. Kind of a small investment to make considering you could lose this much in food just from a failure. Inside of here you get the monitor itself and a mount, so with a little 3M tape so you can stick that onto somewhere and then pop this on and off. Comes with this power plug, a little 12 volt cigarette lighter. So we get a user guide in here, got a little cleaner, a couple screws for the mount, and this antenna. And this looks like the little sending unit. On the back of your fridge, there's a little rubber area, and you can peel that off. You screw this on and plug this into this into the little plug in the back. Your little antenna screws right onto here, and then that's what it looks like when it's screwed on to the back of the fridge. Keep an eye out for our installation video, then also our walk around video where we'll show you how all of this stuff works together.
If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.